Hi, this is Mark Reynolds with Fund to Flip. We're in Newport Beach, California today, talking with Dave Herman, one of our associates. Dave, how you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Good. App's doing well, thank you.
Yeah, app's doing great, man. We got a lot of people interacting with it, a lot of people commenting and watching our videos, which is great. But a lot of questions that they are asking about the app is this properties, right? I mean, no one else is doing this, and you know, they're just curious, like, what do I do? How do I get started with this?
Well, you know, that's the most popular feature on our apps, the properties. And we're selling a lot of properties. We buy properties and sell to our clients. Other clients bring us properties to market for them. So it's really working out well because we're giving our clients what they need, right? They need properties to make money. So that's how they're doing it.
Okay. So, you know, someone like me, I'm 31. I see a video from on Facebook or wherever. I go to the website. What does someone like me, who doesn't really have experience in this, what do I do?
Well, you know, the app and the website is for all levels. If you're interested in real estate, you can start with the Fund to Flip website or app, because we have podcasts, we have blogs, we have the properties, we have a community wall. So it benefits everyone no matter what your level.
Cool. And so, like, you know, I go on, you know, I become a member of the site, right? It's free. I start looking at these properties and I see a property that I'm like, hey, I'm interested in this. What would be the steps to go through in that?
Well, you know, you said a key word, free. You know, we give the information out for free. We're in the loan business. We're not in the information business. So we love giving information to our clients so they can make more money. And then we do the loans, and that's how we make our money. But if you like a property, all you got to do is call us and we'll put you in contact with the right person that's selling the property.
Okay, cool.
We either have it under control or somebody else does.
Yeah. So
and people are making money buying our property.
So you just take care of it for me, right?
We take care of it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Dave, thanks for coming down to Newport today. I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, man.
Any other suggestions you have for us?
Honestly, just people get on the app, fundtoflipapp.com, or you can download it through iTunes or Google Play, and just get on there, start exploring.